when there's no books, I definitely encourage you to let them know that there's more costs involved. Our process typically will request, and again, when we're doing this, like without any books and we're doing all that stuff, ideally it's like a consulting guy or someone else who doesn't have like retail volume of transactions and other stuff. But we'll request a 12 months worth of bank statements, like to get credit card statements. And then we do use a software tool called ScanWriter where you can scan in bank statements or various statements. It then imports them into QuickBooks. You can either keep them in QuickBooks online or you can convert them to Excel. So we do use that some for both our tax work and then for our fraud and forensic work that we do for clients. We use that tool for that. Basically, construct a profit and loss statement from the balance sheet, run through the cash, figure out with each transaction, is it a profit and loss item, is it a balance sheet item, getting to the ending cash balances and making sure everything kind of matches up. Then on the balance sheet, looking at on the last year-end bank statement, what was the cash balance, what were their credit card balance, what equipment do they have, were their distributions. It's a little easier if they don't have the balance sheet in that first year, but the balance sheet really is a running total. So if they don't have an ongoing accounting system, it can get a little bit more challenging after that first year. So we really encourage those clients we work with that don't have accounting system or books or whatever, and if they're not going to shut down next week, to really encourage them to change their behavior for future years, so that maybe we go from no books to an accounting system that has messy books, and then maybe they can progress along and actually get dialed in 5 years down the road.